Subliminal TV.
Remember the time he was trying to put his side skirts on?
They're talking about all the different things you have to take off.
So this guy ain't even started. Okay, so we got mine on. Well, the other day I put mines on. By the time I post the video of what I'm doing here, I may already have a video up about what's went on there. So that's done already. And now I'm gonna help him do these ones, finally. Because the summer is here, it's time for us to get it together. Phillip head, flat head, Allen keys, 10 millimeter, and your Dremel.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go.
The gym is working out for me. So the same way mine were, my car had bottomed out and scraped the screw heads flat. I got most of his off now, but 3 of his are also straight flat, how mine were. So as you can see, on this side, he has 3 of them that's also, straight flat, as you can see. So he's gonna go get his Dremel because I did not bring my Dremel because he said that he had a Dremel. And I'm gonna Dremel hills out, and then I'm gonna get to the skirts. Get this done, and then we're gonna go get some wings, and that's gonna be the day. But first, the Grom. He wants me to ride the Grom. He just got it, and I'm thinking about buying one because it would be more practical to take this on the RV whenever I travel across the country rather than put on the Ducati. So let's see what this thing would do. And that's even there. I like this one. You got like a cradle at the bottom.
That's why I like it. So you put it from the top.
Oh, just straight down?
Yeah, straight down.
Ah, I see.
And then tighten it up.
I like that. I like that. I think this is for the RV. I think it is. It's fun too. Especially like in the woods and in the dirt.
They go back there. As soon as I go past where that sign is, I go down and it's all back there. I saw a guy yesterday on the dirt back there.
So yeah, I'm gonna get one. I guess you guys can look forward to that as well. Just one more thing to buy, huh? Wait, was I supposed to leave it out?
Wings. It's a Marietta Best Wings. And we're gonna go get the Dremel. It's not too far from it. It's not the Dremel, but.
So you want to do it that way and then just come back? So just leave my car in? You gonna just close it in? So we're gonna go get wings first, and then we're gonna go get the Dremel bit that he needs, and then that's it. I'm probably gonna drive this little truck right here, the Active, which is a right-hand drive. Or it's locked, but I don't know if you can see in there, if there's a glare. I don't know. So what I tell y'all, look what we're riding in. Can we both fit?
Barely.
I think what I failed to explain is, see, what has happened is I was going to put the side skirts on the car and then we were going to go to this wing place. But he found his Dremel and not the Dremel bit that I need to slip the screws into a flathead shape. So what we're going to do now is go get the wings first, leave there, go to Home Depot, get the bit that he needs, come back, finish the job.
Voted you.
Oh,
He's like, we did. He's like, we just put it down.
yeah.
According to Alex, best wings in town.
We'll see.
They were good. They were good.
We wanna go.
And voila.